Hello, good morning. Okay, we're going to look at something very important in every language today, and that is ajuju. Ajuju means question. In every language, you will always need to know how to ask questions in that language. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to interact with people because most times our interactions are in forms of questions. So let's look at question words in Igbo. Now the first one is onye. Onye. You can see that even the tone of asking the question is different. Onye. Onye means who. Who. Onye is used to know the person who did anything. The verb used depends on what the person did. Yeah, because we have different types of verbs, and the verb you will use will tell us what the person did. It could be in the present continuous, past, or future tense. It could be in the present continuous, past, or future tense. Okay, let's look at a few examples. Onye na-eri nri. Now, you see that? Onye na-eri nri. Who is eating food? Na-eri nri is present continuous tense. So we say onye na-eri nri. Who is eating food? Onye bịara ebe a. Who came here? Bịara is in the past tense. Onye bịara ebe a. Who came here? Onye were akwụkwọ m. Who took my book? Onye were akwụkwọ m. Who took my book? Onye nọdụrụ ala n'oche a. Onye nọdụrụ ala n'oche a. Who sat on this chair? Still in the past tense. Onye ga-eje Abuja taa. Who will go to Abuja today? Who will go to Abuja today? Onye ga-eje Abuja taa. Onye na-ele onyonyo ugbu a. Onye na-ele onyonyo ugbu a. Who is watching television now? So you can see the verbs are used according to the tenses. That is when the action took place. Okay. Now, how do you respond to questions? Of course, whenever you're asked a question, you're expected to say something. In order to respond to this question with onye, you will always say obumu. That is, if you're talking about yourself. That is, in short form, normally say omu, which means it's me. Or obuya. That is, if you're referring to someone else. Oya, which means it's him or it's her. I say obu ekene. That is, or you say oh ekene. That is if you want to shorten it, and most times we shorten it when we are communicating. It means it's ekene. So you can use it to respond to this kind of question anytime you're asked. I'd like you to really take time and practice this and get used to it before we continue with the next question words. Now, for you to really practice, use the verbs here to ask questions with onye and give their responses. The first one is na-esi nri, gbanyere ọkụ, ga-agba ọsọ, na-ebe akwa, rahụrụ ụra. So you go and practice asking questions with these words, with these verbs, using onye, and also get their responses. Okay, daalụ.